What's up guys, I have a unique recipe for you today. This is going to be a venison and elk burger. So what we're doing here is the venison is a little bit more moderate fat, so I think we're looking at about 10 grams per serving, and the elk is a little bit leaner, about 5 grams per serving and higher protein. So we're going to mix these two together and make a nice, pretty lean burger out of all this. So first things first, we're going to combine that meat into a bowl. I want you to throw an egg in there. That's going to help kind of keep everything nice and binded together. Make sure you're seasoning, you add your salt, pepper, any type of seasoning you want. I like to mix in some minced garlic, some onion perhaps as well, and just kind of play around with the ingredients a little bit. Okay, so next up, we're gonna mix all those ingredients together and roll it into a ball and then press it into burger patties. Now I did a bunch of different sizes here, but you can make it a little bit more uniform just by weighing out the meat. Maybe I'd kind of keep it in anywhere from 4 to 6 ounce patties, and you could probably get closer to, 6 to 8 patties out of all that. I made about 5 of various different sizes. Okay, so now you can either grill or bake these patties. Depending on the size, I'd say if you're gonna grill them, maybe stick to anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes per side. You can kind of check that depending on how much heat you're putting in there. And then baking, I would just kind of maybe throw it in there at 350. Maybe sear the meat first before you throw it in the oven to kind of keep the juices in. Okay, so the final product, it's really gonna depend on how many calories you wanna have in your day. But I kind of went without the bread here, but I added some tomatoes, some sweet peppers, salsa. I think I had like a fruity, like an island salsa and a peach salsa that I added on there. I added some veggie, like assorted veggies on there, like broccoli, carrots, corn. And then I did a small serving of French fries and onion rings there too. So give it a try, I hope you enjoy.